Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are just new here, hi, welcome. My name is Mac, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Cosmic Journey the Cosmic Journey Oracle. This is by Yanik Silver, and it's just a newly released oracle. I think it was released November last month. So it's a 55 card deck, and Kelly's over there again. Say hi to Kelly, guys. Alright, so it's published by Hay House, and it retails for $22.99. So it says here at the back, calling all 21st century creators, visionary entrepreneurs, and mischief makers. On this cosmic journey, you will discover that you are the oracle, and your pen is your magic wand to rewrite your past, present, and future. Guided by visionary entrepreneur Yanik Silver, you will learn how to recognize and understand all the signs and symbols the universe is sending you, trying to get your attention. Each card of this oracle offers a mystical message to answer your most profound questions, a powerful journal prompt to help you dig deeper into your own answers, and a cosmic action to move you forward on your journey. So let's try to open this up. This is my second affirmation oracles that I have. Let's see if I can open it. I'm having a hard time opening this up. Why? Alright, there you go. I think I can open this up now. I hope. I kind of like, oh, by the way, you have like a sample images of the cards here at the back, which is awesome. So that's actually one of the reasons why I bought this deck, because of, you know, they are affirmations. However, they have this what do you call this? They have this amazing, where it has this amazing what do you call this? Amazing artwork. So okay, I cannot open it up. It's already like, okay, it's actually open. I don't know, I'm having a hard time with this. Alright, there you go. So, it feels, let me just throw it away first. It feels matte. It comes with a sturdy box. It feels matte, so we all know that would mean that the cards will be matte as well. So that's a pretty swirly cosmic look. The back, the front of the back, of the box, and then all right. So it says here, you keep coming back. Can you read that? You keep coming back over and over again to what you love, just with new wisdom at every turn and new expressions from your heart path. That's a nice message there. Right. Oh, okay, so I just noticed this. They're ice. Yeah. That's a pretty design in the box. Huh. I love it. Alright, so it comes with a guidebook, which is nice. Let me just remove the paper binding first. Alright, So they are pretty matte, just like all Llewellyn. Oh, sorry, just like all Hay House decks. And let's proceed with the guidebook first. So it says here at the back, is it the same? Yeah, it's just like it's the same thing. I would have wished it was different here at the back of the guidebook. So this is about Yanik Silver, the author. And let's open the guidebook first. So, journaling guidebook. Then copyright 2020. You guys should also like get the Cosmic Journal. I've seen like it's really nice as well. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, so we have here how to work, a final message from the universe, and then we have the meanings, so the oracle cards, table of contents, the introduction. We are the creators, the producers, and consumers. So about the oracle, the cosmic catalysts. I'm trying to see if I can pick up something really important. So here you go. The cosmic checkboxes are ideas for action steps. Oh, okay. Alright, we're gonna go through that one later when we flip through the cards. So why this oracle? Okay, so that's the reason why they have the cosmic journey journal, because you need to like write it for your cosmic catalysts. It's actually nice. So I guess it's recommended maybe to get the journey, the cosmic journey journal. However, or the cosmic journal rather. However, if you just want to use this one like an affirmation, then it's also fine. Okay, so how to work with the oracle. We have how to divide and shuffle the cards, how to ask questions, upside down cards. Okay. Dive deeper with the cosmic conversations. Now this is a kind of like a different oracle deck, because I'm already seeing like the different side to it, being a cosmic catalyst, and then like Q&A cards. Wow, this is really something else. This is fun. Yeah, I'm gonna read through all of these in the guidebook. So we have the 3-card spread. Then we have Vision Quest. So 11-day spread. And then we have, it's actually nice, Cosmic Now, Future and Visions, Phoenix of Fire, Guardian at the Threshold. Hey, this is pretty fun. And then we have a final message from the universe. And then the meanings of the oracle cards. Wow. Okay, so they don't have any pictures here, of course, because they're affirmations. Now you have the title of the card. You have the questions here, I think, for the Q&A that was mentioned, and the cosmic catalyst and the cosmic checkbox. All right, so that's the reason why you need the journal, because most that I see here for the cosmic catalyst would be all about they're all questions. So all right, it's pretty nice though, pretty informative. All right, so that goes on until the last card, and turn this page only after you've completed the 11 day. Oh wow. I don't think I'm going to turn that page. I will let you know, guys, if I have done this. Yeah, I will. I'm not gonna turn that away, but I will look into it, and I will let you know how it would work or how it works. So I'm pretty sure, because it's all about a journal, right? Right, the 11 card spread is all about like a journal thing, quest. So most likely, like, that would be about a result, what you need to do and stuff like that. So so here's how the back looks like, and it's pretty awesome. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous. Like, you can see the Milky Way galaxy. It feels like, nebula of some sort. Pretty amazing, to be honest. And the cardstock is okay. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this one from one of my unboxing videos. If I'm not mistaken, that was spellcasting oracle. What I have noticed with the new cardstock, especially those that were released 2020, they have a different cardstock. Like, they are laminated matte, so they're not the buttery soft type anymore, because they're matte, but they're laminated as well. That's why you can see some of the glares as well, right? So I don't have any problem with it, because this is actually easier to shuffle, be it a riffle shuffle, be it an overhand, most especially overhand shuffling. It's easier for this cardstock than the buttery type. But I don't know, they're kind of like noisy. If you're, yes, you can hear that one, right? So that's the only downside when you have this laminated matte cardstock. However, it's nice. I mean, I actually don't have any preference. I would prefer any type of matte deck finishing rather than the glossy type ones. Okay, that's my point of view though. So let's proceed with the flip through. I know you guys are all excited. So we have 1, 2, 3, or 3, 2, 1 jump. Hey, that's a nice heart right there. Then we have a light grows brighter only by lighting another. They're numbered, borderless, which is nice. Allow your work to become your art. Yeah, this is kind of like, turning your work into something that you like, or something like your passion. Ask wonderfully, receive graciously. See, like I said, beautiful artwork. They're drawings, so that's the reason why I also like this oracle because, the artwork, it's all hand drawing. Coming soon. Iron, silver, bronze. I'm really curious to what the drawings mean. Cut away what is no longer needed for you. Right. Deliver your greatest gift to the world. Oh. So it feels like air and water at the same time. And the eyes, the gift, present. Each evolutionary turn requires you to give up who you think you are. Nice. So these are nice messages. Like, you can use this at the end of a reading, or even in between, actually, even at the start if you want. But for me, I rather use affirmations at the end of a reading, even if you're starting your day as well, like you're doing a one card pull up daily. So this can be a great deck to use as well. That was number 15, right? Okay. I am a galactic starseed blooming. Listen. Wow, memento mori. Then we have out of the mess comes elegant order, yin yang. It's alright, okay. Synchronicity is a love letter from the universe across time and space. Yeah, this is a nice message here. Because synchronicity is like the universe is talking to you, It's like it's giving you a secret code word or something that you need to be conscious of. The phoenix rises into joyful abundance. Nice. There are no wrong turns. Right you are. I'm so curious how this reads from the guidebook. Oops, sorry. And the fact that this is, 55 card deck for the price, I'm loving it. You are perfectly imperfect. Nice one. See, I love the messages on this oracle deck. You decided to wake up, or else why did you draw me? I like the images. I like the artwork. I love the messages. I have no complaints on this one. Your greatest work is your life. Yeah, in other words, your greatest work is how you live your life. Exactly. So be careful with your words. The universe. Hey, if you can see that one, a face. So cool. Be creative. Be young at heart. Enjoy. I can like put a lot of words in there. Then your 3-year-old self. Hey, this is nice. Ah, divine dragon. I wonder what that is. And then at this point, I noticed that they are in Roman numeral numbers. So these are already the what do you call this? These are the Q&A portion that was mentioned in the guidebook a while ago, and these are the 11 cards, which has it's like a Q&A portion. And what you can actually do is you can go ahead and draw one card from the oracles, and then draw a card from these Q&A what do you call this, from these Q&A cards. Now you can do that, or you can also try to just shuffle them all together and just use it as a normal oracle reading. So, right. And the last one, we have the hero of your cosmic journey. So that's it for the flip through, and we're gonna do as usual how I do it. I'm gonna shuffle the cards for you to see how they shuffle. I'm gonna do a riffle, shuffle, and overhand, and then afterwards I'm gonna pick one card and then read from the guidebook. So let's see how they shuffle. Wow. See, I told you I like how these laminated matte cards are how they shuffle. They're pretty nice, to be honest. They're even better than the buttery matte ones. And they're a little bit thinner though. I noticed that they're a little bit thinner than the buttery type matte finish cards that they had. Than the earlier matte cardstock that they had before. So that's how it shuffles. And then let's try to do an overhand shuffling. See? That's why I said I really love shuffling this cardstock right now, because they're so easy to shuffle when it comes to overhand shuffling. But they're noisy. That's the only downside to it. They're really noisy. See? Yeah. So at this point, let's try to separate the 11 cards from the oracles. From the Q&A and then the oracle cards. So let's try to do alright, sorry, I had to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so let's try to pull up one card from the oracle and pull up one card from the Q&As as well. So at least you'll know how it reads from the Q&A, sorry. How it reads from the guidebook. Alright, so that's it. And maybe let's just do a riffle shuffle on these cards. Whoa. Okay. Let's just probably try to like shuffle it once. And I don't really care. All right, let's probably try to do this. So I'm not really sure which ones are there. Okay, so let's try to pull up one card from the oracle. And let's try to pull up one card from, oh sorry, Soul Giraffe and 1 2 3 jump. So from the guidebook, let's see what it means. So it says in here, if you want to go like dive deeper with the cosmic conversations, so when you select the oracle card, oh, all right, it says here, read the card's message and write a cosmic catalyst. All right, so 1 2 3, it says in here, how many times have you been just at the edge but then turned around? Have you ever been in a situation similar to the one you're faced with now? Perhaps it seems scary only because you think you don't have a net. Do you believe your wings will appear when you leap? If only you knew then what you know now. You have so many unseen cheerleaders rooting for you. The countdown is on. 3 2 1 jump. And then for the catalyst, what am I standing on the precipice of? What will it take for me to finally jump? Then cosmic checkbox. Place at least one immovable date on the calendar that will force you to move forward. Whoa, okay. This kind of like applies to me right now though. There's one date that I really cannot, or that I need to move forward, or that I need to start with one particular day. And it says here, after that one, activate the cosmic Q&A card pile, which already did shuffle and draw. So right, so for the Soul Giraffe, right, so it says here, vision, grace, higher vantage, seeing obstacles. So Soul Giraffe is here to help you with your grander vision, to allow you to see higher and farther. The long neck of the Soul Giraffe gives you an elevated view of what's on the horizon, as well as another vantage point of the big picture. We're also reminded that perhaps we cannot label something as good or bad, right or wrong, unless we can see the full picture. The giraffe gracefully glides along the path, spotting what others cannot. And here are the potential questions to ask this archetype. So if I could see higher and farther, what would I see? What is in the horizon for this situation? Instead of the low-hanging fruit, what if I went for the lofty fruit? What might be within my grasp if I went higher in my thinking of or viewpoint? What danger is up ahead that I haven't seen yet? Whoa. So the Soul Giraffe is like, not assuming things, but like looking at a bigger picture, seeing the full picture before you decide on things or before you jump into any conclusion. And then this oracle is mostly on about starting something, it's about taking the risk, or it's kind of like, this one is kind of like something is holding you back, but then right now is the time for you to kind of really make a move. So this this card just kind of like it's saying that, there is one particular thing that or situation that or not just me, but you are supposed to do. So it means that you have to take a leap of faith right now and move forward to that situation. And the thing is, because this one is kind of like holding you back because you cannot see the full picture, you still cannot see how it ends, you don't know how it's gonna turn out. So this is kind of like already telling you that you will only see the full picture of everything if it's already completed. I mean, if you've already started it and if you've already like went through it. So the oracle card is telling you to go ahead, jump right into it. And this archetype is like here, or it's showing up here because it will help you with your grander vision. It will allow you to see what you can reach, what you can get, what you can achieve at a farther level on this journey that you're about to take. So you will only know what's up ahead if you're going to continuously do, if you're going to like move forward, or if you're going to to go along with it. You cannot see everything unless you're in that situation. So this is really a good example of synchronicity. And remember, I just like said it as an example for today. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to, of course, pick up one card, just one card, like a daily, like a daily draw. So let's pick one card and read from the guide. I got this one. Synchronicity is a love letter from the universe across time and space. So let's see how it reads from the guidebook. Alright, so from the guidebook, it reads in here. Let's see. Alright, so it says in here, ahoy, there's magic afoot. This card asks you to make magic by looking at everything anew from the understanding of the language of signs, symbols, and synchronicities. The question or issue at hand is not simply black or white. You're called now to look with new eyes, hear with new ears, and feel in new ways. A song might not just be sung. There's magic in the right lyric at the right time talking to you. And a piece of artwork that catches your eye at the right moment could be the answer you seek. A tidbit of conversation you overhear could contain the exact message you need at this time. An animal that crosses your path in an auspicious way may have a symbolic meaning meant exactly for you at this moment. There's an interconnected entanglement in our world that's not simply cause and effect, and you cannot make sense of it with your rational brain. Okay, and then Cosmic Catalyst. What past seeming coincidences can I look back on and make magic with a different perspective? Then for the Cosmic Checkbox, open up your favorite book and flip to page 25 for a message. So this is like Cosmic Catalyst is kind of like the meditation part, and Cosmic Checkbox is an action card. So let's try to do this one. Open up your favorite book and flip to page 25 for a message. Does it have to be favorite book? Let's see. Let's try to do that. Alright, I don't really have a favorite book with me right now, so it's actually outside in the shelf. Right, so I cannot like do the page 25 thing that it's saying here. That's actually nice though. Alright, so I can probably try to do that one later. But for now, yep, I definitely cannot. So this is actually a nice oracle for me. My thoughts on it, they are pretty awesome, and they are powerful messages, positive messages. They are good messages on these cards. So they will try to, give you a positive meaning, positive outlook on whatever you're doing, which is actually nice. And I absolutely love this oracle. I am excited to use this one, on my readings, on daily pull card, and whatnot. So, all right, this is the Cosmic Journey Oracle, guys. Do you already have this one with you, or is this on your wish list? If this is on your wish list, I am actually recommending you get this one. Again, you can buy the Cosmic Journal first, because they are more like about the messages from the universe. And this this oracle, Cosmic Journey Oracle, it's more like an extension to it. But you can use this alone for your readings as well. So this is already perfect for me. I am going to purchase maybe the Cosmic Journal just to see how it is. So again, if you've already used this card, let me know if this is on your wish list. I am recommending it actually to use this one. I would prefer this rather than the other affirmation decks, but I'm not gonna mention what they are. This is actually on top, I guess, of my oracle cards that has all these messages rather than the other ones. I mean, this is even better than the others for me right now, though. Just for now, this is actually the best that I've gotten so far. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to hit that the notifications bell so that you won't miss a single upload from me. Alright? And there will be an announcement I'm gonna make in one of these days. So please watch out for it. Alright? I'm loving it. I mean, for the price of $22.95, right? Yeah, $22.99. This is already perfect for me. I don't have any complaints, except the shuffling of these cardstock. That's really noisy, but I don't mind. I mean, I can just do a riffle shuffle instead for these type of cardstock, but they're nice. Yeah, this is it for now. Alright, thank you guys again for watching. If you have any other videos or any other oracle or tarot decks that you would like me to do a review of, please comment in down below and I will try to look for the card for you. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!